Okay, blessing.
Yeah, okay.
We are one of you see
yeah, ke sorry ba fuwa mo ba tsang Rustenburg. A pele le bo wa bokone bophirima. Ke kopa hore le mbutse mabitso pele ne re tswele pele gae. Nna ke Abraham from Bojanala Central Branch.
Okay, blessing from Greater Rustenburg branch.
She's from Greater Rustenburg.
Hi, thank you. So le ringa ke mba fuwa.
Before the war gave me, there were two things.
Yes.
I want to company.
Yeah.
So now the CEO.
Yes.
And the acting CEO.
Yes.
When the CEO went for vacation,
Yes.
the acting CEO, that's how to come down.
Yes.
My CEO,
Yeah.
the acting CEO, I told the CEO. So that bagani Where's Bambe?
Acting CEO.
Acting CEO. Africa.
Yes.
I'm a CEO.
Uyana futhi uyoba yeliyoti.
Your company.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
all the way from Rustenburg, Sunday at the league.
Yeah.
Every month, but man for himself, but God for us all.
Yes.
But I the league. Actually, Hambi.
Mataka haketlazane. Yeah.
Aro we aga league.
Yeah.
League ke Sundowns.
Yes.
So league khala re feditse ka yona. Message wa ka fela mo Masandawane.
Yeah.
Aba tlogela go phenika ka Cardoso.
Yes.
Cardoso o ile final tse tharo tsa CAF. It's
Yes.
not by fluke. It's in Chayeta.
It's not luck, man.
Luck. League ha ke batla bua ka yona.
Yeah.
Wa bona re tsere 6 points to mo programs.
Yes.
Nna ke batla my message to Masandawane, don't panic. League it's wrapped already. Sundowns ba re ke Pirate haina consistency. League batla consistency ga se cup. Yo dala di game tsa fiwa gore win. League ke ya rona. Now Cardoso re fa double.
Yes.
Or re fa league ara ba re fa CAF. Re jabula e le go nna mnati. Hola.
Okay, ke irata yeo e buang ya hore batho ba ska shapa Cardoso. O ka re wa tseba hore motto ya rona e re inform, entertain, educate, promote.
Yes.
So we get here.
Yeah.
So ngwaga a ithoma Pirates e le shapa go MTN 8 ba ska shapa Cardoso ba ratse dibolo.
Wa itse batho ba ba lwana le Cardoso.
Yeah.
Ke batho ba ile gore ba compare the previous coach.
Yes.
At the end of the day you confirm you lebella the previous coach.
Yes.
How you lebella currently what is happening.
Yes.
Cardoso go down nyana. Whatever khale kana la go fela re winner CAF. It was 2016.
Yeah.
So now right back CAF.
Yeah.
League na zange ka wara ka league.
Yeah.
Azange ka wara. League.
Yeah.
Pirates haina consistency.
Yeah.
Finally the player are not let on.
Yeah.
Remember we
Yeah.
compete, we dominate. We don't compete, we dominate. It's a mouse and one.
Is that fair?
No, it is fair. It's fair.
Let one league go.
What?
Let one league go.
No, never.
No, thank you.
Thank you.